Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
And this year, we're doing things a little differently.
We want to spotlight the true stars of Montavilla Sewing and our wonderful staff.
And each day, you'll meet one of our amazing team members and what they like to sew, what they're passionate about, what their projects are, what lights up their faces.
And we'll be taking you a tour through our store locations, giving you a tour of the Montavilla family along the way.
Plus, you know us.
We never miss a chance to talk about our favorite machines.
Now, let's talk about giveaways. Because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
You know, in our last video, Brett, you were eating more than your share of pumpkin pie.
Yes, it was just one slice, maybe two.
Well, so I thought we would change things up a little bit and exchange out that pumpkin pie for something a little more Christmassy.
Okay.
A half pump peppermint latte.
Oh, now this is something I can work with.
All right, so latte secured, staff ready, prizes prepped.
And if you enjoy this content of these videos, feel free to interact with us by commenting below, liking us, or sharing the post, or even come into our various stores to talk with us.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome to day one of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Today, we're somewhere brand new, the Millen Montavilla Sewing location.
That's right, this beautiful new store officially opens tomorrow, December 9th, but we're giving you a special sneak peek today.
And to celebrate today's giveaways, $250 Montavilla gift certificate. That's for fabric, notions, tools, classes.
And to help show it off with this amazing new space, we'll be talking with Aletha, the manager here at Millen. She's going to give us a tour and show us what makes this location so exciting.
So come along with us, meet Aletha, and get a first look at the Millen's location. We'll kick off the 12 Days of Christmas.
Let's head inside. I'm here to introduce to you Aletha. Many of you know her already. She is a star of our hit TV show on Facebook every Tuesday morning called The Morning Sew.
Yes, Tuesdays at 10.
Tuesdays at 10, okay.
Yeah, the morning sew.
And Aletha is going to take over the honors of being our interim manager at this store for a while to kind of get things off and going. So tell me about this whole thing. What are we doing here?
Well, we're very, very excited. We are opening a new store inside of the Milwaukee Millen store. And so we're just excited to be back here inside of a store to get people and help foster all their creativity.
Yeah. What you know what I love about this store?
What?
It has everything. It's like the ultimate one-stop shopping place for sewing supplies,
Yes.
sewing machines, sewing classes, sewing everything. Everything having to do with sewing, this place is it.
Yeah, and it's going to be I just know just working here, getting this set up and walking through the store and seeing the fabric, and I already feel so inspired to maybe start doing some more garment construction and some of those other things. So it's going to be really fun.
So we plan to open tomorrow, December 9th. We're excited about that, and
as you can see,
we have ways to go.
To do.
Yeah,
so
still a mess.
you know, we're hoping in the middle of the night all the little elves come out and get it set up.
So I got a question for you.
Uh-oh.
What?
You always make me nervous.
Well, the reason why I say that is because
Okay.
I'm asking everybody this. Okay. So this is part of the 12 Days of Christmas. And this is day one. No one knows it yet.
Okay.
So this is for everyone watching can get to know you a little better.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
Favorite Christmas memory. I think just growing up as a kid in general, we celebrated Christmas on Christmas Eve. And that's when all of our cousins and grandparents came together. And I just love that night before, it's really calm. All is calm, all is bright. And so that's what makes Christmas special for me.
It's cool. Yeah. Family.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I've also got to ask you one more question, because this is for people watching that want to win the $250 gift certificate from Montavilla.
Oh my gosh, $250?
Yes.
Okay.
We're giving away, we're starting off big with a $250 gift certificate.
I love it.
What is their code word they have to know?
Your code word is STAR.
Star. Okay.
STAR.
So STAR is day 1 code word, and check your email tomorrow to see if you won.
Well, that wraps up day 1 of our 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and a huge thank you to Aletha for giving us a sneak peek of this amazing new location.
And let's just say, this place is the ultimate sewing experience. Machines, notions, classes, all under the same roof with Millen Fabrics. You can pick out fabric, walk 10 steps, test your machine, find tools, get help from our team. It's a sewist's dream.
Don't forget today's code word, STAR, to enter our giveaway of $250 Montavilla Sewing gift certificate. That'll go a long way in a setup like this.
Every purchase during the holiday sale gets you entered to win, and day 2 is when this beautiful new location officially opens.
And we'll see you tomorrow for the grand opening.
See you there.